Greetings, everyone. This is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic, and welcome back to another segment of Money Making Monday. And today we're going to be talking about McMoney. Now, McMoney is another money-making app that allows you to earn money from doing certain actions with your phone. So with this, all you need to do is you install the app, give them your phone number, and they send you automated text messages so that you can earn money. Now, you need to have a minimum of $5 before you reach the minimum balance before it gets paid out. Basically, you have to make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on and that you're at home or at a coffee shop, and they send you a random text message. Now, I can't show that to you, but the text message that you get when you have this app installed is a series of gibberish and letters and numbers. That is McMoney sending you messages so that way they can monetize your text messaging services. So you go to start and then you go to news where it shows you updated versions, which I've already done. Then it shows your earnings, and I've already been sent 98 test messages, and each balance adds about 48 cents to your balance. Now, that's not a lot. I'm just going to be honest with you, but it is one way that you can make some money. And then this is your inbox. So these are the messages that you get when McMoney sends you the text messages. So when you get those messages, that means you are earning money. And then you can go and support charities, but you can also cash it out yourself. And that is essentially how to use McMoney. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day, and we'll see you next Monday for another money making video.